Exam Side Mathematics by PANI. Here in this video, we are discussing about AP Intermediate First Year Conic Sections. We are in Parabola top exercise. Yesterday's class, we finished first bit. It contains, I think, 12 questions. The 12 questions completed. Now we are entering into second bit. We are entering into the second bit here, students. Yeah, please join in this session. I'll wait for 2 more minutes. Yeah, this is video number 2. Are you able to see everyone? Yeah. Thought. Yeah, 1 minute, dear students. You did it. Here first you have to analyze the question. What information is given, with that how to proceed to calculate equation of parabola. Find the equation of parabola whose focus and vertex is given. See, rough figure we are drawing that. This is the parabola, just a rough diagram. This is the dielectric equation. This is the focus. This is the vertex. Focus is given as 3, 5. Vertex is given as 1, 3. Okay, dear students. And we don't know the coordinates of z. I am taking as x, y. Okay. We know that. So first, given focus and vertex, you write it steps. Why? Because they may chances to ask for 4 marks in AP Intermediate first year. Given focus and vertex. Focus S of 3, 5 and vertex A of 1, 3. Later, let Z be the, this is axis of the parabola, axis. Z be the, PI means point of intersection of axis and directrix. And Z coordinates are Z of x, y. Z of x, y. This is the information I provided. Okay. So not only that information, we have that, or we know that A is midpoint of SZ. So A is midpoint of SZ means what? A value 1 comma 3 is equal to midpoint of SZ x plus 3 by 2. Next y plus 5 by 2. So comparing x coordinates, comparing y coordinates. So 2 equal to x plus 3, 6 equal to y plus 5. That implies 3 brings this side, 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to plus 1. So we got the coordinates of z as minus 1 comma 1. Minus 1 comma 1. So what is the use of calculating z coordinates? Doubt will arise. Minus 1 comma 1, dear students. I have to calculate dielectric equation. I want slope of SA if we calculate. Directrix is perpendicular only, no? So slope of SZ. Slope of SZ or SA. Slope of SA equal to 5 minus 3 divided by 3 minus 1. 5 minus 3 by 3 minus 1. So 2 divided by 2 which is equal to 1. Slope of directrix we don't know. Slope of directrix equal to m. We don't know means m. Since directrix perpendicular to the axis. Axis means here equation of SA. Whenever two lines are perpendicular, that implies product of slopes. 1 into m equal to minus 1. We know that property m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. So that implies that m is equal to minus 1 we got. So equation of directrix. Equation of directrix. Having slope m is equal to minus 1 and passing through z of minus 1 comma 1, which is x1 y1, dear students, is right formula y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1 only, no? So that implies that y minus 1 equal to m value minus 1, x minus of minus 1. So y minus 1 plus x plus 1 equal to 0. So x plus y equal to 0. This is the directric equation. Sir, what is the advantage to calculate directrix? Let us assume that any point on the parabola SP by PM is equal to E. E is eccentricity value is 1 now. Let P of x comma y be any point on parabola. Any point on the parabola. Then by definition SP is equal to PM directly. Generally, SP by PM is equal to E. For E equal to 1 for parabola. SP, distance between these two only. So, root over x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square equal to PM. From P to this one perpendicular distance, distance. Perpendicular distance from P of x comma y to x plus y equal to 0. So that implies square root of x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 10y plus 25 equal to x plus y divided by square root of 1 plus 1. So x plus y divided by root 2. So cross multiply and simplify. Root 2 into root over x square plus y square minus 6x minus 10y plus 34 is equal to mod x plus y. Squaring on both sides. So 2 into x square plus y square minus 6x minus 10y plus 34 is equal to x plus y whole square. So 2x square plus 2y square minus 12x minus 20y plus 68 multiplied by 2. Here minus x square minus y square minus 2xy equal to 0. So 2x square minus x square is x square. Next minus 2xy. 2y square minus y square is plus y square. Minus 12x minus 20y plus 68 equal to 0, which is the required equation of parabola. Sometimes it may be chances to ask for 7 marks also, not only 4 marks, but also 7 marks, dear students. I hope you understand. We'll move on to another question. Yeah, only 3 members only watching. Please share to your friends and relatives. Here's the same type of question, but little lengthy. Again, the same type of question, but the way is different. Dear students, find the equation of the parabola whose focus is minus 2 comma 3, minus 2 comma 3, and directrix equation is, and directrix equation is 2x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. Also find the length of lattice rectum, the length of lattice rectum, the length of lattice rectum of the equation of the length of lattice rectum and the equation of the axis of the parabola, axis of the parabola. See here, how many questions are there in one question? It may chances to ask 8 marks question, dear students. Find the equation of parabola, length of lattice rectum, and equation of axis of the parabola. So 3 questions are there. See how they are going to distribute the marks. For finding equation of parabola 4 marks, length of lattice rectum 2 marks, equation of axis 2 marks. This is the way the marks is going to distribute in the question. I thought you understand. Those who are watching, please share and like this video. If you like this video, it reaches to more students, dear students, more people, whoever it is required, for them it will be reached. Okay. Now come to the question. Draw the rough diagram of the parabola. This is the vertex, this is the focus. S of minus 2 comma 3 according to the question. Let us consider any point on the parabola P of x comma y. This is the dielectric equation. What is the dielectric equation is given? 2x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. So now what I am doing is, let P of x comma y be any point on the parabola. Next, given focus S of minus 2 comma 3, given directrix, given equation of directrix, two x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. What is the slope of this one? M is equal to, so you take this M as slope of minus x coefficient by y coefficient, slope of this directrix. By definition of conic, conic means here parabola. SP by PM is equal to 1, that means SP is equal to PM. SP means distance between S and P. After that, perpendicular distance from point P to the directrix. SP, square root of x minus of minus 2, x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to mod perpendicular distance from, in the previous question we discussed now, in place of x comma y itself, that is 2x plus 3y minus 4 divided by root of x square coefficient plus y square coefficient. So root 13, it will bring this side, root 13 into root over x square plus 4x plus 4 y square minus 6y plus 9 is equal to mod 2x plus 3y minus 4. Squaring on both sides, so root 13 whole square will bring us 13 x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 13 is equal to a plus b plus minus c whole square expansion, 4x square plus 9y square plus 16 plus 12xy minus 24y minus 16x. So these values bring this side. So 13x square plus 13y square plus 52x minus 78y plus 169 minus 4x square minus 9y square minus 16 minus 12xy plus 24y plus 16x equal to 0. Write in the order. 13x square minus 4x square. So 9x square. Next xy term minus 12xy. 13y square minus 9y square. So plus 4y square. Next x terms. 52x, 16x, 68x. Yes, 68. Next y terms minus 78y plus 24. So what happens? Minus 78y, 24y, minus 54. Yes, minus 54y. Next constants. Here 16, here 168. So 153. That also plus 153 equal to 0. Which is a required equation of, parabola. Till here, dear students, till here you are getting 4 marks. After that, what they are asking to find? They are asking to find length of latest rectum. Length of latest rectum equal to length of latest rectum 4a. From here to here it is a units. From here to here it is a units. So a plus a is 2a. Length of latest rectum is 4a, no? 4a can I write like this? 2a into 2a. So which is equal to 2 times of, in place of 2a, perpendicular distance from focus to directrix. So perpendicular distance from focus to directrix. So which is equal to 2 into mod from minus 2 comma 3 to this line, in place of x comma y, minus 2, 3. So 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into 3 minus 4 divided by root of x coefficient whole square plus y coefficient whole square, which is equal to 2 into mod minus 4 minus 8 plus 9. So minus 8 plus 9 divided by root 13. So 1 into 2 by root 13. This is length of latest rectum, LLR. For this also 2 marks completed. Next, axis of the parabola. This is the axis of the parabola, axis equation. Axis of parabola. This axis is absolutely perpendicular to the directrix. Slope of axis. This is M1, this is M2. Okay. Slope of axis we don't know. This we can take as M1, this we can take as M2. Slope of axis equal to M1. Slope of directrix. Slope of directrix. M2 equal to minus 2 by 3, minus x coefficient by y coefficient. Since axis is perpendicular to directrix, whenever the two lines are perpendicular, product of their slopes equal to minus 1. M1, axis slope is M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. So M1 value we don't know, into M2 value minus 2 by 3 is equal to minus 1. Minus minus get cancelled. M1 is equal to 3 by 2. So M1 value we got it. So they are asking to find this slope, we got it now. Slope at passing through which point? Focus. So therefore, the equation of axis with slope M1 equal to 3 by 2 and passing through focus S of minus 2 comma 3 is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus 3 equal to 3 by 2 into x minus of minus 2. Cross multiply. 2y minus 6 equal to 3x plus 6. So these values being assigned, 3x minus 2y plus 12 equal to 0, which is the required equation of axis. This is equation of axis. Okay, dear students, we'll move to another question. Please like and share, dear friends. Just 2 more people. I want to make it. Question number 3. Find the equation. Find the equation of the parabola. Of the parabola. Whose axis is parallel to x-axis and which passes through the points -2, 1, 1, 2 and -1, 3. Parallel to x-axis, y-axis, both the questions we will discuss, dear students. So any idea about this? Just I am putting that ink, dear students, just half minute. Just I am doing that, pouring the ink to our material. Yeah. Find the equation of the parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis. See how to write these type of equations. First, in the solution, the equation of parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis is, whose axis is x-axis is x is equal to ay square plus by plus c. Equation number 1. It is in this form. That means y minus k whole square equal to 4a into x minus h form. This means, okay, dear students. After that, equation 1 passing through is passing through minus 2 comma 1. Then in place of x minus 2, in place of y 1. So minus 2 is equal to a plus b plus c. Equation number 2. Next, equation 1 is passing through one comma 2. Then, so in place of x1 equal to in place of y2. So 4a plus 2b plus c. Equation number 3. Next, equation 1 passes through or passing through minus 1 comma 3. So minus 1 equal to 9a plus 3b plus c. Equation number 4. Now solving these three equations and get it answer. Get the values of ABC. So solving 2 and 3. Solving 2 and 3. So first 4a plus 2b plus c equal to 1. A plus b plus c equal to minus 2. So now I am subtracting one equation from other. These two will be cancelled. 3a plus b equal to 3. Equation number 5. Next, solving 3 and 4. These two. So 9a plus 3b plus c equal to minus 1. 4a plus 2b plus c equal to 1. So subtract one equation from other, sign changes. These two will be cancelled. 5a plus b is equal to minus 2. Equation number 6. Now solving 5 and 6. Solving 5 and 6. So what is fifth equation? So fifth and sixth. Sixth equation. 5a plus b is equal to minus 2. 3a plus b is equal to plus 3. So now subtracting minus minus minus. These two will be cancelled. 5a minus 3a is 2a equal to minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5. So a is equal to minus 5 by 2. So a is equal to minus 5 by 2. Substitute either in 5 or 6. A is equal to minus 5 by 2. Substitute in, better to substitute 5. So 3 into minus 5 by 2 plus b is equal to 3. So b is equal to 3 plus 15 by 2. So b is equal to 6 plus 15, 21 by 2. B value we got. So a, b value substitute in equation 2. A comma b values substitute in values. Substitute in 2. Minus 2 equal to minus 5 by 2 plus 21 by 2 plus c. So minus 2 equal to 21 minus 5 is 16 by plus c. Minus 2 equal to 8 plus c. 8 bring this side, minus 10 is equal to c. So after getting a, b, c values, a comma b comma c values substitute in equation 1. We get x is equal to ay square means minus 5 by 2 into y square. B means 21 by 2 into y. C value minus 10. Let us take LCM and simplify. X equal to 2 is the LCM. Minus 5y square plus 21y minus 20. Bring this side 2. So 2x equal to minus 5y square plus 21y minus 20. All these values bring this side. Therefore 5y square minus 21y plus 2x plus 20 equal to 0. This is the required equation of a parabola whose axis is parallel to x-axis. Okay, dear students, we'll move to last question in this exercise. We are going to start the last question from that exercise. Find the equation of parabola whose axis is parallel to y-axis, which passes to the points 4, 5, minus 2, 11 and minus 4, 21. So this is the question, dear students. Similarly, we are going to find. What is the similar way? Find the equation of parabola whose axis. The equation of parabola whose axis is parallel to y-axis is y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Keep that equation number 1, dear students. Parallel to x-axis means x is equal to ay square plus by plus c. Now parallel to y-axis means y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, dear students? So equation 1 passing through, what is the first point? 4, 5. In place of x 4, in place of y 5. So 5 equal to ax square, that means 16a plus 4b plus c. Equation number 2. Equation 1 passes through or passing through. Minus 2, 11. So 11 equal to minus 2 square into a means 4a minus 2b plus c. Next equation number 3. Next equation 1 passing through. Equation 1 passing through. Minus 4 comma 21. So 21 equal to 16a minus 4b plus c. Equation number 4. Okay. Anyway, solving equations. Solving 2 and 3. So 16a plus 4b plus c equal to 5. 4a minus 2b plus c equal to 11. Subtract one equation from another. So plus c minus c cancel. 16a minus 4a, 12a plus 6b is equal to minus 6. Dividing by 6, 2a plus b is equal to minus 1. So keep that equation number 5. Next is solving 3 and 4. Solving 3 and 4. Solving 3 and 4 means this one and this one. 16a minus 4b plus c equal to 21. 4a minus 2b plus c equal to 11. So subtracting minus plus minus minus. 16a minus 4a is 12a. Minus 4b plus 2b is minus 2b. 21 minus 11 is 10. Dividing by 2. So dividing by 2 means 6a minus b equal to 5. So which is equal to equation number 6. Now solving 5 and 6. Solving 5 and 6. So just you have to add both the equations. 2a plus b is equal to minus 1. 6a minus b equal to 5. Adding both the equations, plus b minus b get cancelled. 6a plus 2a is 8a is equal to 5 minus 1 is 4. Adding values. So a is equal to 1 by 2. So a is equal to 1 by 2. Substitute in 6, equation number 6. So 6 into 1 by 2 minus b is equal to 5. 2 1s, 2 3s. 3 minus b is equal to 5. 3 minus 5 equal to b. Minus 2 is equal to b. So b value also we got it. So now among these, which one is small one? Anything. Only equation 3 is easy equation. That's all. So a comma b values substitute in equation 3. So we get 11 equal to 4 into 1 by 2 minus 2 into minus 2 plus c. 2 1s, 2 2s. 11 equal to 2 plus 4 plus c. 6 bring the side. 11 minus 6 equal to c. 5 equal to c. So a, b, c values substitute in equation. A comma b comma c values substitute in equation 1. We get y is equal to a value 1 by 2 x square, b value minus 2 into x, c value plus 5. So it is equal to take LCM 2, x square minus 4x plus 2 into 5, 10. So cross multiplying 2y equal to x square minus 4x plus 10. So these values bring inside, therefore x square minus 4x minus 2y plus 10 equal to 0, which is the required equation of which is the required equation of parabola whose axis is parallel to y-axis. Till here we finished 10C, 10B exercises. In the next class, so that means 100% tomorrow is not possible, dear students. Day after tomorrow, that means Sunday. 10A, I will try to finish that exercise before February first week. The conic sections, including geometry part, all I am going to finish. Don't worry about this. All the chapters with exercises. According to your convenience, you can prepare. Those who want required topics first, you write in the comment box. In my free time, I will read that. I will give the response and I will make the video for your convenience. Thank you for your support. Jai Hind. Exam Side Mathematics by PHANI.